What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm back with another video. How everybody can see, I changed my outfits a little bit, and yeah, guys. In today's video, I wanna show you guys my trading. How is it called? My trading week. How it's been so far. So I'm gonna make my face smaller just a little bit. I'm gonna put you right here. So, guys, how you can see, basically this week is being pretty awesome, to be honest. The reason why is very simple, guys. It's very simple. I'm gonna tell you my strategy is very simple, and you can enter random. So as long as you got the bias for the day. So basically, the bias for the day, you can literally see. Here it was the open, here it was the close of the day on Friday, yeah. So it's been a push and it's kind of pulling back, yeah. And it was kind of like moving back up. I took a trade, targeted this high. So it's gonna be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is banked, yeah, it's banked. The reason why, because here it didn't took like 1 to 1, because usual after 1 to 1 I'm moving my stop loss to break even, so it kind of when it took here to 1 to 1 I moved my stop loss to break even, and I was targeting this one. So here it was 1.5 hour. Here also was a 1.5 hour, because I was targeting this low and even lower than that, because here is like 25% of the previous day, yeah, retracement. So I took from here sells, and it took these lows, yeah. I moved my stop loss to break even, and then I was targeting 2 hour, so which was somewhere here. Yeah, it's been pretty awesome. I couldn't complain. Another 1.5 hour. And then here it's been the same story, guys, same story. Here I was actually thinking to target this low, yeah. But the reason why, because here it was 75%. I literally entered. The reason why, very simple concept, guys. Here is the open, here is the close. So it kind of overall has been huge bearish pin bar. So I was targeting this low. So I entered here, stop loss above this high. It went down. Here was like the 25%. It's been a 1 to 1. I put my stop loss to break even, and I was targeting this one, 25%. It being here, hit it, it went even lower. I thought it's gonna take these lows, but it did not. But it doesn't really matter, because I was already out of the trade, and it's been pretty awesome. And today, it's been very beautiful trade also. It's been yesterday a bullish run, yeah. So bullish run, and took the highs, came back. Here was 25% of the previous day. I took a buy because my bias was bullish, so I was expecting bullish move. So what happened, I was actually targeting this high. So here is 2 hour. Unfortunately it came here is 1 to 1 risk to reward. I pulled my stop loss to break even, and I was thinking that I'm gonna try to grab this one, but unfortunately it came back and stopped me out. So I had Monday 1.5, Tuesday 1.5, Wednesday 1.5. Today I had 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. And we still got tomorrow, so we'll see what's gonna be tomorrow. Guys, that was the C for the video. See you guys on my next